Hey, what's up guys? This is Mazhar from RightSolutions. In this video, I will show you how to find your product key for Windows 11 and for Windows 10. This is my SSN book with Windows 10 on it. So to find the product key for this one, just go right click on this start button here. And from this menu, go and select the command prompt or Windows PowerShell with admin's rights. And the command prompt or the PowerShell will open up here. And type here wmic space path space software licensing service space get space OA3X original product key and hit enter. I will place this command into the description of this video, so you can just copy it and paste it. So this is your Windows product key. There is a very important piece of information you should know. If you bought this as a pre-built system, then this is the OEM product key and it's locked to one system. It will not work on any other computer, and even if you try to replace your motherboard in this system, then also this product OEM key will not work. Type exit and let's head to the second PC now. My son have assembled this PC for me. He installed Windows 11 Pro on this PC. Let's apply the same method to find out the product key for this machine too. Come to the start button and right click here. And from this menu, select the terminal option with the admin and provide the permission here. And on this command prompt here, type again wmic space path space software licensing service space get space OA3X original product key and hit enter. And we expect the product key to appear here, but it is not there. So let's go investigate and find why it is not there and how we can look at this key. So type exit and close this window. Now right click on the start button again and select system from this menu this time. And in this window, click on system again and then scroll it down till you find activation. Click on this activation line and it will bring you up with this activation state, and from here on this arrow, if you click, it will open up the hidden content and it says window is activated with the digital license. As I know, my son purchased this key electronically from Microsoft, so that's why I activated with the digital license. Close this window and let's download a tool to reveal this product key. Open up your browser and in the search bar type here show key plus and hit enter. You will find a few options here, but I would trust the Microsoft for this. So click this and now from here click on download. It's a small file which is already done. So let's go and look at this file in our download folder here, and now this is the file here. So just double click this file here to run it. It will inspect your system and then it will download the information from the Microsoft website, and just wait, it will just bring your key here. And this is the installed product key which my son have bought it, and I actually verified it. It's the same key which I have it in my records, and it also shows you the product ID where it will recognize my machine for digital license. The main difference in OEM and this key, this is a retail license key. I can uninstall this from this computer and I can activate this on another computer, but I can use it only on one PC at one time. Now let's go and see how to find the product backup key. Well, I really don't know why people look for this backup key, because as per my information, this backup key is not good for any activation, and it will not even activate this machine if you wanted to activate with this key. And if you still want to know the method, so just continue with this video then, otherwise you can stop it here. If you're persistent, then come to the search bar here and type reg edit and hit enter. It will open the registry editor. So from here, this is the path. I will just copy this path into the video description. So just open H local machine and then look for software. Click on the software and then from there look for Microsoft. Click on Microsoft and then look for Windows NT. And from there in Windows NT you can look for current version. So just look for where is Windows NT, this one here. So click this Windows NT and now just click on it here and click on current version, and from this current version just look for software protection platform. So just go click S and you will just find this one here, the software protection platform. So click on it, and on this right side pan you can just see it has a backup product key default. So this is the key which I don't know what you will do with this, but this is the key you can say as a product backup key. So I hope this video was helpful. If you think this added some value to you, so please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you with the next video, and you have a wonderful day.